Today in math will be a continuation of yesterday's lesson, listening to a word problem, drawing pictures, and writing equation to represent and explain the problem. So let's go over our DLO. I'll go first and then we'll do some examples. All right. Today I will use equations to represent and explain addition. Now it's your turn. Today I will use equations to represent and explain addition. So writing an equation is similar to the number sentences, except we're not using words like and is and all. We're using our symbols, our operation plus and our equals. So let's review the vocabulary for addition. When we have addition, we have the operation of plus. Everyone say operation plus. Plus represents addition when we're adding things together. Addition for short is add. So when we add, we're using our plus sign, plus symbol. When we add, we're getting more, because putting things together makes more. When we're getting more, at the end we're finding the sum. The sum is the total, all together. And the other word that we'll hear is how many in all. All. So say plus, add, more, sum, all. When you add with a pirate, you will see you're getting more for you and me with a yo-ho-ho and a rum-pum-pum. When you add, you're getting a sum. And those rhyme, and we've been working on our rhymes. So today, in your math book, there are a couple examples that already have pictures represented, and you can break them up just by the colors, which is nice because it has the two colors. Here, there's no space separating it, but we can tell right away there's a blue group and a red group. So together, how many in all? So I'll do a couple with two different colors, and then we'll write an equation. Then we'll go over a couple different examples of listening to the story, drawing the pictures, and writing the equations. Okay, let's start here. Let's start with something already on here. And then we'll solve it. There we go. And we'll use, what other food is circular? Pizza. We'll just do cookies. Cookies are easier. All right, listen to my story. I have 5 green cookies. My friend brought me 5 blue cookies. How many cookies do I have in all? Let's write an equation to represent our addition. So I had 5 cookies. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 green cookies plus, because I want to know how many in all, and my friend brought me more, 5 more. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Brought me 5 more. How many do I have in all? 5 plus 5 equals, some of you already know that 5 and 5 is 10. Another way to remember 5 plus 5, it's a doubles. You have 5 fingers on one hand, 5 fingers on the other. How many fingers do we have all together? 10. So that's one quick way to learn your fluency for 5, or with your 5s is 5 and 5 is 10. And you'll just know that right away because you can use your fingers. But if you're still not sure, they're equal, they're the same. So put 5 in your head, 5 in your hand. Let's count up. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. What's our sum? 10. How many cookies do I have all together? 10. The other strategy would be to count them all, but I want to try and move away from that strategy because I want you to be more fluent with putting a number in your head and counting up, because it is the faster strategy to use. But if you're still counting all of them, let's count them all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 5 plus 5 equals 10. Let's do another one. So I'll think of a story, and then we'll put the cubes up. Not the cubes. My little circles up for the equation for my story. All right. I have 2 cookies. I opened the pantry and I found 7 more cookies. How many cookies do I have all together? So the strategy I used is I built it first, and now I'm going to write the equation. In the next example, we'll write the equation first and then draw the picture. So I said I had 2 cookies, so I built 2. And then I opened the pantry and I found 7 more cookies. How many cookies do I have all together? 1, 2. I have 2 cookies plus, how many more did I find? 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 equals how many cookies all together? Which number is greater, 2 or 7? 7. 7 is greater because it has more. Put 7 in your head, 2 in your hand. Let's count up. 7, 8, 9. How many cookies do we have all together? 9. Make a loop and then a line. That's the way you make a 9. Let's read our equation that represents our addition problem. 2 plus 7 equals 9. Let's do another one. This time, I'm going to write my equation for what I hear first, then I will put the magnets up. So my story is, I have 6 cookies. My sister gave me 2 more cookies. How many cookies do I have all together? I have 6 cookies, so I'll write down the evidence that I hear right away. My sister gave me 2 more. I heard the number 2, and I heard more. When we write more, we use the operation plus. I had 6 cookies. My sister gave me 2 more cookies. How many did we have all together? Now we need to build it. The first amount of cookies I had was 6. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Plus, how many more? 2 more. 2 more cookies. 1, 2. How many cookies do I have in all? 6 is greater than 2 because 6 is more. I'll put 6 in my head, 2 in my hand, and count up. 6, 7, 8. I have 8 cookies all together. Make an S and close the gate. That's the way you make an 8. I could count them all. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So I have 8 all together. Let's do one more example. Listen to the story. You can pick whether you want to write the equation first and then draw pictures, or listen to the story, draw pictures first, and then write your equation. I like to write my numbers first because they're the first things I hear. And then if I have the information written down, then I can take my time drawing my pictures. But it's your choice. Draw the pictures first and then the equation, or write the equation and then draw the pictures. That's your choice. All right, let's do another one. One more. My next story is, I have 1 cookie. I looked back in the pantry and I found 9 more cookies. How many cookies did I find? I found 1 cookie. I went back into the pantry. I'm going to use a blue because this one is not working very good. There we go. I had 1 cookie. I went in the pantry and I found 9 more cookies. 9, I said more, so my operation is going to be plus, because more, putting things together, is part of addition. How many cookies do I have all together? All together is going to help us with our equals, and we'll find the sum now. 1 plus 9. Let's draw pictures. I had 1 cookie and 9 more cookies, so I need to draw a group of 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How many do I have all together? Let's see. 9 is greater than 1 because 9 has more. Put 9 in your head, 1 in your hand. Let's count up. 9, 10. So 1 more than 9 is 10. And 10 is a 1 and a 0. So my equation would be 1 plus 9 equals 10. Now it will be your turn to listen to the stories, because some of them have pictures and you'll just write the equation. Some of them do not. So you'll need to do what I did, drawing pictures and write an equation to go along with it. Now it's your turn.